Hey, if you are getting iPhone ghost touches or your screen is glitching on any iPhone in 2021, something like this, it just glitches and it's as if someone is clicking on it. This is a known issue and there's a fix that I'll show you in this video if you watch this video all the way until the end. But before we start, first don't worry, we'll try to do everything we can to help you. But you can give us a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you're new to the YouTube channel. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from, because I'm really curious to know where you guys and girls are from. So the first thing you can do if you're getting software glitches like this is chances are it's from water damage. Did you go to the shower with your phone? Did you go, near a spa? This is what I did yesterday and my phone started glitching just like this. And sometimes you just gotta turn off your phone for 24 hours or more, or contact local service department for Apple and ask them for advice. But for me, just waiting it out with a turned off phone helped me out. This is basically the first thing you can do, especially if it's water damage. If it's not, you can just go to your settings, go over to your general tab right here, go down, shut down your phone from here, and then turn it back on. If it's a software thing, this should actually help you out. If it doesn't, what you can do is actually go over to settings again, clicking on general, click on software update, and if it's a known issue for your particular iPhone model, a software update should patch it. So this has helped a lot of people when I checked online. Another thing is just going over to general and resetting your phone, resetting all content and settings, but maybe backing up your phone prior to that would be a good idea. I really hope one of these tips helped you out. We're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. Comment down below if you still have questions. We'll try to get back to them. Like the video for the algorithm, and I want to see you in one of the next videos.